Hi, I'm Nathan from HINDSITE Industries, and I'm going to show you today how to use the search filters to find content easily and quickly. So let's get started. So I'm here on the content page, and I'm going to go to the search bar here, and I can choose to search by either title, description, or tag keywords. I can search across all workspaces by default, or I can use the workspaces filter to narrow the search even further. Click on the advanced search to see even more search options. You can filter here by content type, either by file, image, or video. And you can also choose to include or exclude calls that have been made here on the system. Or if I just want to see content that's been made by a specific person, I can select that person here. I can quickly access recently viewed files from the Recents tab, or if I want to be even more efficient, I can favorite content and view it here in the Favorites tab. That's it. If you have any questions, please reach out to our customer success team.